Are we doing this, buddy? Are we doing this? It's Noah's first vlog, guys. Oh yeah. He wants chocolate. So we're going to the chocolaterie, I don't even know. The chocolate factory on the way down the Great Ocean Road. Yeah! Mum's pretty pumped as well.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Not that he's gonna eat anything, but...
No, it's not for him, it's for us. He's all warm. Here we go. Getting him in situ. Look at that. He's pumped. He's in his gear. Are you ready, Noah? Put your hat on straight. Put your seatbelt on. Safety first. Oh yeah. Meanwhile, I put this thing in the back of the car. And since having Noah, this is how it's ended up. Pete's the chauffeur. And Kelly hangs out in the back here, making sure that he's comfortable and has everything he needs. Alrighty, Kelly. Petrol stop. Snack break. Kelly wants water. Kelly wants water. Alright, I'm gonna leave you there. Take care of the cargo. Is it good? Probiotic bar. Is it? It's not good. Just reminiscing about how good the ice cream is here.
It's just massive.
The last time we're so used to going to Queenscliff, which is really close, and buying an ice cream with 2 scoops.
Very expensive, by the way.
It's very expensive, but really good. And that's what we're used to. You get 2 scoops, they kind of put them in a cone, bam. We did the same here, and the thing was huge. It was massive, and there was no way that I could eat it. I was like, I couldn't believe it. When she took 1 scoop out, I was like, oh my God, like that's just too much. You're gonna give me diabetes. Alrighty. So here we are. Noah's been well behaved. He's been sleeping the whole time. He's awake now?
Yeah.
You can smell the chocolate. I think he's ready. He's ready to have his first chocolate, Cal.
His what?
His first chocolate. He's ready. He's ready. He's totally ready. Look. He's like, please, I'm starving. Let me try chocolate. I've heard it's good. Sir, your chariot awaits. Let's do this. I think we have picked the best day to come down to, Cal.
Why is that?
Because there's no one here. Compared to last time when we were here and it was chockers. There was people everywhere, up the wazoo.
True.
All over the place.
Lots of children.
That's it. Children are so annoying.
Yeah, we don't like children.
Kelly doesn't like children.
I do not like children.
I like children.
I don't.
I like my child.
I like my child. That's pretty much.
Looks like the ice cream place is closed. Bugger. Not today, guys. Not today. We're going in. We'll see what's inside, though. It's going to be good. The difficult thing here today is to not spend too much. Hey, Kelly? It's easy to get carried away.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. They got rid of the spinning door. Look at that. The spinning door is gone. Mark's is still on the floor. But here we go. Yes. This bit here in front. Oh yeah, Kelly. It's a gosh. Yum yum yums. I think we're gonna spend a little bit. And over here we have all the workers. Oh, work, 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 work. Kel's having some issues.
No, because I look at like they have so many gift options, and I feel like I don't want it for myself. I want to buy to other people.
That's the biggest problem with spending money when you get too philanthropic.
Yeah, true.
Nice. I wonder if it comes back.
Probably not.
We've got here all sorts of Australian chocolate. Oh, the art. Now this is what I'm talking about. Nuts and chocolate. Oh. Macadamia, macadamia, where are you? Here we go. These are the best. Oh, so good. Salted caramel and macadamia. What else could you want? What else have you found, young lady? Oh, look at that. Is there anything? Oh, there is. There's Brazil and Australia.
Yay!
We might have to get one of each. This basket's getting a bit heavy. How's Noah going? He hasn't added anything yet.
Waking up.
He's waking up. Guys, you can even get Australian animals. Look at this. Wombat, kangaroo. What else have we got here? Koala, and even a crocodile. Look at that. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Woo. It's funny because this spot here has all these scenery, all this scenery from locally. And when you look over here, it looks like books, but they're actually chocolate bars. And each of these is a place nearby on the Great Ocean Road. 12 apostles. Pretty cool. I wish I could get this as art, but you can't. Just chocolate covers. Huh? Yeah, the
Hundreds
fractals.
and millions.
Hundreds and thousands. Hundreds and millions. Do you want one? Have you tried one before? Man, I think we need to get one to try it together. Look at that, it's a dark chocolate one. Should we do it? You're not a fan, huh? I love them. I grew up with these, they're good. 1 kilo. Whoa, Jesus. That's diabetes right there. Or nearly. And there's a meter as well, right? You go for it. You can pay for it. Go for it, Kelly. She's got a tidy little haul. Whoa, Nelly. What's the most shameless amount of chocolate you've seen go through here? Like, has anyone wasted $1,000 just all at once? Really?
Oh yeah.
Holy moly.
Yeah. I think we had an order, or not an order, but we had someone come in and they spent about 5,000.
Crikey!
And they spent about 5,000. About 5,000.
What?
Yeah, like it was
Far out.
No.
yeah.
Did that just, was that a lot of things or was that just a few things?
No, it was a lot of things. Yeah.
Alright, coffee time, coffee time, coffee time.
So much trap, huh?
Kelly's saying it was a trap. Oh my gosh. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. A meter of chocolate. Whoa. Are you praying for something to eat? Getting coffee and the food still doesn't stop. Look at this. Whoa, Nelly. Look at this monstrosity. I don't even know which way to attack it. So that didn't last long. In fact, not even long enough for our coffees to arrive.
Wow.
So good, so good. Macadamia cheesecake with cream and chocolate sauce.
I got this thing just because this is good for breastfeeding.
That's a good excuse to get chocolate. She's already going through her gifts that she just bought. You feel like Christmas, Cal. Oh, thanks a lot, man. Yeah, that's it. So, Kelly, you have to show us how it's done. What do? There's chocolate at the bottom, so you have to stir it. And then after that, you can add your own and get a little whisk. Look at that, you even got a little whisk. Oh. We're gonna have to get this in slow-mo, I think. Don't you?
When I add the other one.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, jeez. Animal.
As if I hadn't had enough chocolate.
You ready?
Yeah.
Go for it. Oh yeah, whisk it good, whisk it good, whisk it good, whisk it good, whisk it, whisk it. Moment of truth, was it good?
Yeah.
Worth it? I think I got you dark chocolate as well.
Mm-hmm.
My bad. I love it though. What happened?
It was a trap.
It was a trap. What happened, Kel?
You made me pay for it.
How much did you waste?
Almost $100.
Almost $100 on chocolate. Worth it. Anyway, carnage complete. How do you feel? Feeling good?
Full.
Full? Me too. Time to go home. No, it looks like he had about as good a time as we did.